Matt from Pete Power Productions. We got a good show for you today. Not really a show, I guess I should stop calling them that, but a good video. As always, God bless America. And today we're going to be going over a handgun that I bought a couple years back. It was when it pretty much first came out. I bought it. It was by Glock, and it was the Glock 45. This one is 9mm, so it's not, doesn't take a 45, so it's kind of a weird way that they've got the name. You know, you think of a Glock 45 as a 45 caliber, but this is a Glock 45 9x19. It's a Gen 5 Glock. I did the stipple job on the handle, and that's kind of why it looks the way it does, because I've never done it before. I did it at home. I watched a couple videos, so I think it looks okay for my first time. But I'm going to be honest with you, have somebody professional do it for you, okay, if you're going to have it done. There's a lot of talk whether it hurts your frame or not, but I've had no issues since I did it, and it actually does help quite a bit for grip. So anyways, this Glock, I'm going to do a tabletop review of it, and then I'll do another video of me and Nathan going out and shooting it, showing you the accuracy and better functionality of it. So, as always, this is cleared. There's nothing in it. As you can see, there's nothing in the chamber, right, at all. Alright, I like to visually inspect it, right, make sure there's nothing in there. Take my pinky, feel, there's nothing. That way I know that it is safe and good to go. Alright, so there's nothing in, no bullet in the chamber, nothing. This is a magazine that comes with it. It holds 17 rounds. Okay, it is 9mm, like I said before. As you can see, there's nothing in this magazine. Completely empty. Alright, so I'd like to say that this gun here, I was not a Glock fanboy, what they call a fanboy. Alright, I never had bought a Glock in my life. I never wanted to buy a Glock in my life, just because a lot of the people that own Glock, and I'm going to get a lot of hate in the comments, but a lot of people that own Glock were kind of snobs, and that's just the truth. They wanted this gun right here. It was like the end all, you know, it was the best of the best, and you can't find anything better. And back in those days, before I owned one, I was really partial to Smith & Wesson. I really like Smith & Wesson, and I feel like that their M&P series is just as good as a Glock, if not maybe beats it out a little bit. My feelings on that have not changed too much, other than I love this gun. Okay, I didn't think I'd like it, but it just shoots, man. It's a dream to shoot. It's accurate. I don't have to worry about it jamming. It's never jammed on me, not one time. I mean, the reliability of this thing has been just superior. I've owned a lot of handguns in my life, and this one here is really awesome, I gotta say. If you're a new buyer, this would be a good one, because a lot of people have the misconception of they think that they want to get a gun, they want to get a small one. Well, I need a small gun, and so I can conceal it or whatever, or my hands aren't that big, you know, whatever. But honestly, for brand new shooters, a bigger gun is better, in my opinion. Okay, it's just easier to hang on to. It's a little heavier, so you have that weight, so you know your recoil and your reset and all that is a little different with a bigger size handgun. And not only that, with this, you know, you never want to limp wrist a handgun, but with this, it really doesn't matter too much. I mean, you really want to have what they call a master grip on it, right, when you shoot. But for first-time gun buyers and people that are just getting into it, this would be a good choice. Now, it is a little on the expensive side. I think I paid about $900 out the door for this one, and everything, but it's a good choice. I had a lot of other handguns that I had bought, but this one just, I mean, this is my carry gun. I carry it with me. It's my winter carry. I have another handgun that I carry that's a little smaller for the summertime, just easier to carry with shorts and, you know, sweats and stuff like that. But this is a great carry gun. Now, what makes this gun a little different from other guns is that or other Glocks is that what this gun, the 45, what they did with this is they gave it a 17 size frame. Okay, so the frame of the pistol is a 17, a Glock 17. And then the slide, so the slide here is a 19. So your slide is the compact, it's smaller, but your frame is a little bigger. And I really like that because for concealability, the only thing that really is not that great is that your handle sticks out a little bit more. With a smaller slide and a larger handle here to hang, it gives you more to hang on to. It gives you more of a purchase on your handgun. So when you grip it, all right, you've got a lot of place to put your hand on, you know. And I was taught to grab your gun right here in the crick of your hand right here, and then you bring your hand around and you squeeze tight, and then you take your palm and whatever is open here, your palm touches that, your thumbs come around, and then you just grip around like so. So this is a good one. I've had it, you know, like I said, for a couple years, and it's run flawlessly. Of course, I clean it and I keep it oiled. I don't know what this whole new generation about, oh, my gun has 500 rounds through it and I haven't oiled it once. That's just stupidity. Oil your guns, you know, you take care of them, or of course they're going to go bad. So I just wanted to do a little tabletop review on this. If you're thinking about buying one of these, it's a great choice. There is other choices out there that are a little less expensive, and I'll be doing some more reviews on a couple of those. But this is really a nice handgun. When I go out to shoot it, out at the range and stuff, I'll get more into the dimensions of it, you know, of the barrel length and all that, if you'd like to hear all that. Now, these are pretty rugged guns, you know. They've gone through, Glock has been tested and it's tried and true. So I'm not what they'd call a Glock fanboy, but I will say that I do understand why people like these guns. So, you know, you put your magazine in there. Like I said, it holds 17 rounds. And if I didn't say that, I'm saying it now. It comes with 17 round magazine. It comes with 3 of them when you buy it. So you get 3 magazines, 17 rounds. And I usually shoot the MagTech ammo. None of this is sponsored, or this Blazer. This is a little hotter, and it's a little heavier. It's 124 grain ball ammo. Okay, and this one is just the 115, the standard 9mm Luger. So it'll eat anything you put in it. But if you're a first-time gun buyer, you have one of these or any other handgun, if you buy protection or if you buy any ammo, make sure you put it through it. You want to run it through your gun. You don't want to go buy some self-protection ammo that's hollow point or anything like that. Put it in your mag, stick it in your gun, put your gun in your holster, and out the door you go. Because it may not work with that gun. It may not function. It may get stuck on the feed ramp. It may, you know, you may just have all kinds of issues. And then if you do have to use it for self-defense, then what? Sorry, man, my gun's jammed. Hold on a minute while I clear it, you know? That's why training and making sure you know what your gun can do first is a very big plus. You need to know those things. But anyway, so if you'd like to see more about this handgun here, more about the Glock, a little more specs and stuff on it, then just let me know. Put a comment down below if you like this video. Like I said, we will get out. We're going to do more of an in the field kind of a video. Okay, this is just kind of like a little tabletop video, and we didn't really get into it, but I really just wanted to kind of show you. They added the front serrations here, you know, most in the Gen 5s. All the Gen before didn't have the front slide cocking serrations. I put these are aftermarket sights here, and yeah, so if you like this kind of content, let me know. Please like, share, and subscribe, and as always, we love you. Be power.